Have you noticed your legs feeling heavy lately? Or maybe your feet swell just a little more than usual? Night cramps, tingling, a sense of restlessness in your lower legs that you can't quite explain? Let me tell you something important. These are not just signs of getting older. They are quiet warnings from your body that your circulation may be struggling. And the good news? You don't need expensive treatments or complicated routines. Just one simple habit, a daily cup of herbal tea, could be the natural remedy your legs have been begging for. Stay with me, because in this video, we're going to explore the 5 most powerful teas for improving blood flow, strengthening your veins, and restoring energy to your legs and feet. Backed by science and designed for real life. Why circulation declines with age. As we age, our blood vessels naturally lose flexibility. The valves in our veins, which are supposed to push blood upward, begin to weaken. This makes it harder for blood to flow back to the heart from our legs. The result? Swelling, heaviness, cold feet, skin changes, and even varicose veins or ulcers if left untreated. After the age of 50, the risk of chronic venous insufficiency increases dramatically. But nature provides powerful tools to help us fight back. And that's where these 5 teas come in. Number 5. Ginkgo biloba, the silent circulatory booster. You may have heard of ginkgo for memory, but its real power lies in microcirculation. It helps widen blood vessels, especially in the extremities, where blood tends to stagnate as we age. A study in phytomedicine showed that ginkgo significantly improved blood flow in the legs of older adults, reducing numbness, coldness, and even nighttime cramps. Just 1 cup a day in the morning, brewed from dried ginkgo leaves, may give your legs a noticeable lift. Number 4. Green tea, the unexpected protector of your arteries. Most people drink it for weight loss or relaxation, but green tea is rich in catechins, antioxidants that protect the inner lining of your blood vessels and reduce chronic inflammation. A meta-analysis in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that green tea improved arterial function and lowered the risk of vascular disease in older adults. Drink it after your main meals for better absorption and to avoid interfering with sleep. 1 cup a day is enough to support healthy circulation and reduce clot risk. Number 3. Ginger tea, your natural blood flow stimulator. Ginger contains gingerols and shogaols, which help dilate blood vessels and reduce blood thickness. In thrombosis research, studies showed ginger acted as a mild natural blood thinner, helping improve circulation and reduce leg fatigue. Drink a cup of freshly brewed ginger tea in the morning or before your daily walk. It's energizing and deeply healing. Want to boost it even more? Add fresh lemon juice. It not only enhances flavor, but adds extra antioxidants for your veins. Number 2. Rosemary, the ancient tonic your legs have been waiting for. This fragrant herb isn't just for cooking. It contains rosmarinic acid and carnosol, compounds that reduce swelling, stiffness, and heaviness in your legs. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food confirmed rosemary's ability to improve capillary flow and reduce oxidative damage in the blood vessels. Drink a warm rosemary infusion in the afternoon to help ease your legs and improve your sleep. You'll notice a lighter, more relaxed feeling by day's end. Number 1. Horse chestnut, the ultimate guardian of vein health. This is not just a folk remedy. Horse chestnut is one of the most scientifically backed herbs for chronic venous insufficiency. It strengthens vein walls, reduces capillary leakage, and prevents varicose veins and swelling. A study in Advances in Therapy showed that horse chestnut extract significantly reduced leg pain, heaviness, and fluid retention. 1 cup of well-prepared horse chestnut tea, taken under proper guidance, could be the missing link in your journey toward stronger, healthier legs. A 3-minute routine to boost results. And here's a secret. The way you move while drinking these teas matters. Just 3 minutes a day of gentle movement can triple the effects of these teas. Here's how. While seated, raise both feet off the floor and make circular motions with your ankles for 30 seconds in each direction. Then, Place your feet flat and alternate between lifting your toes and heels for another minute. Finally, stand up and do slow toe raises. Rise up, hold for 3 seconds, and lower down. Repeat for 1 minute. This stimulates venous return and helps reduce swelling and fatigue naturally. So, there you have it. 5 powerful teas and one simple daily movement routine that could transform your leg health. If you start today, you're not just sipping a warm drink, you're investing in your mobility, your independence, and your freedom. Which tea will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs this message of hope and healing. Your body is talking. It's time we start listening.